guys, welcome back to Land and Sea Ventures YouTube channel. Today we're heading off to Wallaroo State Forest, have a bit of a play around. Going to get Sherry behind the wheel and teach her a little bit, get her playing, trying to get a little bit of confidence, a little bit of experience behind the wheel. You never know, in case something happens to me and I twist my ankle and can't drive.
Or just want to have fun.
And she just wants to have fun. So yeah, that's the plan for today, so stick around and enjoy the ride.
Yes, I'm ready. Teach me how to do this fun stuff.
Okay, like I said, you need to be everything lined up as straight as you can. You don't want to go too quick through the puddles because it splashes up and gets on all the electronics and stuff like that, can get up into your alternator and destroy your alternator and stuff. So just like that, just nice and straight. Right, so just take your time, line up everything straight. Take your time going in. You don't want to hit it hard because if you get hit water hard, it can damage your radiator and stuff. Just keep a steady foot on the throttle. You don't need to floor it. Just keep it steady. The same with coming up. You can rest your foot on the side of the footwell. Right, that'll help keep your foot stable and help stop it from bouncing.
Yep.
And that's about it, really. It's just a matter of
it's just that uneasy feeling, isn't it, when you come out and you're on those round rocks and it starts to slide that little bit.
Yep.
And it's just trusting.
Yep. Now, do you want to go up the big steep one?
Oh, yes, please.
You do that 15-point turn. Right, so it's the same thing here. Come out wide. Go in. Now we're not going.
Oh, should that be my first one?
But we're only going to go up straight, okay? So
okay.
Low range, first gear.
First gear.
We're heading straight to where we want to go.
So this is on 4 low.
4 low, yep.
Yep, and then that's on low.
It's on low, yep.
Alright.
So wheels are straight, and we're heading straight up to where we want to go.
Right.
So it's a slight amount of accelerator.
Yep.
And just drive it up.
Yep.
Just like that, okay?
Okie dokie, just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that.
You might even want to stick your head out and make sure that you got your front wheels lined up with the hump on the ruts.
So we're coming on the same line as we did.
Exact same line.
Yep.
Right. Now all you're doing with your brakes, you're not taking your foot off the brake.
Yes.
You're just releasing it enough to move.
Yep.
Right. Then gently
so
put your foot.
Yep.
Yeah. Then gently put your foot down on it to stop. Make sure the car is pointing directly down the hill. You don't want it going off that way or this way because there's more chance of rolling.
Yeah. And it's just making that much noise because it's wet.
Probably because it's wet and you're just going real slow. And there's a lot of weight on the brakes. Right, now I'm just easing off the brakes a little bit.
I have to remember to breathe.
Right, so just try that little one a few times first.
So how fast do I go over this?
Just slowly. You want to go because you don't know, we know you're not going to hit, but you don't want to be going over too quick. So just go over till you can see the bottom. You want to make sure that you're straight too, remember? So now you're straight down the hill.
Yep.
Yep. Then you just take your foot off. And you just roll
all the
it
way?
in.
Or?
Yeah, yep. Whenever there's a hill, whether you're going up it or down it, you want to be 90 degrees to the face of the slope. Okay, so the slope's coming down like that, you're going to be 90 degrees. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because what you don't want to be is at 45 and going up and rolling it.
Yeah. So in second.
Yep.
All right. So this one, it wasn't squishy at all, was it?
No.
Okay.
So just take your time going in.
Yep.
And then just give it a little bit of throttle, but not a lot. Like you want to sit on about.
When do I give it throttle once I'm in the water?
Once you get your back wheels sort of up and over the hump.
Okay. Well, you just tell me.
Yep. Yep. Now. Yep. Beautiful. Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. If we want to turn this. Oi! No, Jesus!
Did I frighten you?
Yeah, well, I wasn't expecting to. When you get to the top, you actually back off. You don't power launch it off the top of a crest.
Okay, stop.
I know you're having fun, but
That made me laugh. It hurts. Oh. So what am I doing? I have to slow down at the top.
yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is a bit more scary. Okay. So
Right,
you want me to go on one?
Put it into one. Yep.
Or low. That's 4 low.
Yep.
Righto.
Now just take it nice and slow. You need to sort.
Yeah, I was just getting over that.
Because the ratios are so low. When you hit your accelerator, what normally wouldn't be much of a jump forward in like two-wheel drive or even normal 4, because we're low range, it's magnifying the power it's got, and it will jump a lot more like it did just then. So now just slowly down.
It's hard because I can't see over the...
Yeah, that's where you got to go so slow.
Yep.
Like we know it's okay because we've already done it many times. Wasn't expecting that to be happening.
No.
And just accelerate a little. Just get you through there. Just line it up. Now, just drive it. You need more accelerator than the other hills. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's adventures in Wallaroo State Forest. We had a bit of a play, obviously. Gave Sherry a go. So if you've got any helpful comments or tips, please feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get all our updates, all our notifications when we upload. Give us a big like. If you don't like it, hit the down button twice. And yeah, join in next time.